Most people miss one simple step when trying software free trials, and that mistake can cost them access before they even begin. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is signing up without understanding what you actually get in the trial window. Because with contractor software like Knowify, every day of the trial matters. Here's the truth no one tells you. A free trial is not just about testing features. It is about testing whether the software actually fits your real job workflow, your projects, and your billing process in real time. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to start a Knowify free trial in 2026. What you get inside it, what to test first, and how to make sure you get real value before it expires. Let's start with the basics. To begin a Knowify free trial, you typically go to their official website and select the option for a free trial or demo signup. You enter your basic business details like your name, email, company type, and sometimes your trade, such as HVAC, electrical, or general contracting. Now here's where it gets interesting. After signing up, you usually get access to the core dashboard. This includes estimating tools, job tracking, and invoicing features. For someone like Alex, who runs a small plumbing business, this is where he can immediately start creating sample jobs and testing how fast he can move from quote to invoice. But here's the problem. Most users only click around randomly and never simulate a real project. That means they finish the trial without understanding if the software actually works for their business. Instead, you should test a full workflow. Create a job, add estimated costs, assign labor, and try sending an invoice. That's how you see real value. Now let's talk about what you should focus on during the trial. First, test job costing. This is one of Knowify's strongest features. You want to see if you can easily track materials, labor, and profit on a single job. Next, test estimating. See how fast you can build a professional quote and send it to a client. Then check invoicing. For contractors, getting paid faster is everything. But here's another important detail. The trial may also include integrations like accounting tools, depending on your setup. If you use something like QuickBooks, test that connection early. It will show you how smooth your financial workflow will actually be. So is the Knowify free trial worth it? Yes, if you use it correctly. The value is not in clicking buttons. The value is in testing your real business process inside the platform. Here's the bottom line. Starting the Knowify free trial is simple, but getting real insight from it takes intention. Treat it like a real project test, not a software tour. If this helped you, like the video, comment with your business type, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you choose software without confusion or wasted time.